What's up, sarsaparillas? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sassy J. Yes guys, and on this channel, really so the bite man just decided to just interrupt my introduction like that. Really rude. But anyways guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is Sassy J, and on this channel guys, I usually cover plus size haul, beauty and lifestyle videos that include my weight loss journey guys. And yes, I have not given up on my weight loss journey. I just take a minute because I feel like I was going crazy and I started to gain weight, but that's another topic, another video, and you'll see it next week. But anyways guys, before I get into today's video, I'm just going to ask you guys to give me the thumbs up. Yes, like this video. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so you get updated every single time the girl uploads a new video. Okay, so it's been no secret that I am a huge Love Island fan. Okay, a huge Love Island fan. And with that saying, I also love my makeup. So I decided, guys, to try out the Revolution Love Island collection. All right, I can't show you the front of it because my address is on there, but I haven't even opened this yet. I ordered this from Boots, so I'm just gonna do a bit of unboxing with you guys. Okay, so I'm looking forward to this because this would probably be my first time trying. Oh, I got my address of it. My first time trying Revolution X makeup anyways. So have a look. I'm just going to show you what I've got in there because I have bought like one of these moisturizers as well, and it's only because I am changing over my skincare routine and this was recommended to me by a doctor, guys. And I'm going to show you guys anyways because there's going to be a video with my new skincare routine, so keep an eye out for that. But that's the CeraVe moisturizer, and that's the PM version. Okay, so let's just get down to what this video is actually about. So the first item in my box is an eyeshadow palette, and this one is called I've Got a Text. I don't know if you can see it. I've got a text. Yes, I've got a text, y'all. And I'm so excited about this because this looks really cute. I'm not actually going to try these makeup on today, but I think I will do a video with me demonstrating them so you can actually see the color. But I will kind of give you like an idea of what the color actually looks like today. So keep an eye out for that video as well, guys. Ugh. I mean, this is actually quite hard to open, but I'm trying to do it without ripping the box apart. But actually, I think I've done it now. Okay, so this is what it looks like, guys. And I'm trying to do it because every time I come close to the camera, the camera goes dark. So this is what it looks like. And ooh, you see the colors, guys. So I really like these colors. They're really cute. I'm gonna let you see what it looks like. So you got that. Should I put them on me? Okay guys, so I'm really liking these colors. I really am. I had to pause the camera for a little bit just to kind of put them on my hand so you can actually see them. But look at them. I was running out of arm space, guys. Not gonna lie. Running out of arm space. But these colors are so cute. And I don't know if you can see them because I don't want to go too close. But it has those little heart shapes in some of them. There was actually another eyeshadow palette. I'm going to put it up here somewhere. And I was thinking about getting this. But when I looked at the colors, I was like, you know what? These got bright colors, but it's also got some neutral colors in there. And I feel like this other palette here, you know, it's just neutral colors and you can find those colors in this one anyway. So I thought I'd go for it. But this one I got for £12, guys. And I really like this. It's coming up to summertime and I think it will go down very well. You know, I don't actually normally wear eyeshadows that much, but I think this one is going to get me back into wearing eyeshadows again. So anyways, let me show you the other product that I got. So I got this one, and this is a highlighter. I don't know if you can see it. Now there was two highlighters that came with this. There's two different colors. I got the Stun Hun because the Stun Hun is slightly darker. The other one is a lot lighter. I'll put it up here somewhere. I wasn't quite sure how this was gonna go down because I was wondering whether the colors would be too light. Do you know what I mean? But let me see anyways. I probably need some more space, don't I, guys? Because I've literally put this all over. So I'll put that on the inside of my arm. Can you see that? Let me see what it looks like on my face. Obviously, not the best thing to put it on with your fingers, but I'm running out of arm space. So it's not bad. It's not bad. I'm actually going to try this on properly for you guys, so don't worry. Just look out for that video. Let me see what else is in the box. I bought lip glosses and the lip gloss kit, actually, the lipstick kit. I don't know if it's a lipstick lip gloss, I don't know. But this one I got, they had 3 shades in this. I think I got 2. Did I get 2? I got 2. So this one is called Vibing. And what I liked with these is because they actually came with the lip liner. So let me see what they're like. I'm ruining these boxes, guys. The lucky thing I'm not sending them back, is it? Bloody hell. But anyways, let me see. Oh. So, do you know what I like about these? Oh god, they really stick that on there, didn't they? It's got like the Love Island. Do you know what I mean? Like the Love Island thing around it. And that's called Vibing. And that's the lip liner. Okay, so not really a color that I probably would have gone for much because it looks more nudie. Can you see it? So that's what that looks like there. It's creamy though. I like how creamy. Do you see it? I like how creamy this feels. I like that. I can't wait to try this on, guys. And the lip stuff. Should I put that on? Let me see. Okay. I actually like this. Oh god. Do you know what? I actually like this. I've been looking for like a nudie color lip thing. Guys, right now it looks a bit weird without no makeup, but I tell you, when I put my makeup on and my dark eyes, it's gonna be the bomb. I might actually try this one and let you see what it looks like when I'm actually doing the makeup look. But anyways, let me just take this off, guys. Give me a minute. Okay, so the next lip color that I got in this, and this one's called Bombshell, kind of like Danica, Bombshell. Okay, so let me see what this one looks like. There's 3 of them. I'm gonna put the other one up there somewhere. I don't remember the name of the third lip kit that they have, but I'm gonna let you see it. Once again, I'm taking it from the bottom. I don't know why. But I've always said that I'm a bit special, so don't come at me. So this color is a little bit darker than the first one. I'm going to put it next to it so you can actually see the difference. Once again, like I said, guys, it's so... Do you see it? So that's the first one, and this is the second one. So slightly a bit deeper, not that by much. I think this is more something that I would wear as a lip color. But let's see what the lipstick looks like. I'm going to try this again. And this one, like I said, Bombshell. Let me see what it looks like. They smell really good, by the way. You know what? I like this one. I like this one more than I like the other one. But I do want a nude. What do you guys think? Like, obviously, there's no makeup on right now, guys. So you know it looks a bit weird when you put on like a lipstick without makeup on. But I actually like this. I like this. I can actually get away with this not wearing much makeup, but I'd have to make it a lot more natural. But you know what? Let me not take it off because there is a lip gloss that I bought as well. And I actually wanted the lip oil that they do, but they sold out by the time. Because what happened was I tried to buy this, guys, and I was so annoyed. I tried to buy this. When I went onto the Boost site, I think they had some issues, so I couldn't, technical issues, so I couldn't actually make the purchase. And then when it was actually fixed, the lip oil was gone. But I'm gonna put it up there, but I really want this lip oil and I'm gonna go back for it. But I went for this one instead. This lip gloss is just a clear lip gloss, guys, and I'm gonna let you see what this looks like. Is there a funky name for it? No, there's no name to it. It's just a lip gloss. But anyways, let me put it on. I was looking to see if there was any transition, but there's a little bit. It's a little bit. This is not as sticky as well. A little bit, but not that sticky. Okay, so, I mean, it's just a normal lip gloss, normal clear lip gloss. But you see, I would actually wear the lipstick, the Bombshell lipstick, or lip gloss, I don't know what it is, but I would actually wear that with a no makeup day, but I just wouldn't put it as strongly as I done today. What else did I get in here? Okay, guys, so the next one that I bought is the bronzer. Let me show it to you. Can you see the color? I hope you can see this color. Right, and they had this in 2 colors. This one is the Vacation. I felt like the other one was just way too dark, so I didn't want to risk it. But then I'm also wondering if this is going to be too light. But I'm going to try it anyways. I'm going to try it and see whether it's too dark. See, I don't know if I can see this. Guys, you know what? I feel like I can't actually see this. Do you know what? If you look at it, it actually just looks like a normal... Maybe I should have gotten the darker one. Because look, guys, this just looks like a normal powder. It's matching me, isn't it? No, I like it. I'll use it. It has the Love Island writing inside though, but I feel like as soon as you actually start using this, it will go. But to be honest with you, the bronzers only came in 2 colors. This color and a darker color, a much darker color. So if you're really light, you might not be able to use this, or you probably have to use this very naturally. But as you can see, I put it on. I need to go to the much darker one because this just looks like a powder to me. I'm still going to keep it because I feel like as a powder, it covers up still. And I could just wear it as a powder instead of an actual bronzer. Right? I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to wear it as a powder and not an actual bronzer. But yes, guys, but I'm going to do a video with these anyways, and so you can see what it actually looks like as a whole makeup look. But I just wanted to show you guys because I got excited. I saw them and I was like, you know what, let me try them out. I did not know that Love Island was doing makeup, so I was actually really surprised and taken back by it. And also they have more to the range. They have like a brow gel. I didn't want to get the brow gel because I didn't think that it was something that I would use, but it's up there if you want to use it. Also they have like eyelashes. I think they have like a fake tan and a fake tan mint. So if you're into those kind of stuff, guys, it's something that you can look into as well. For me personally, what I do like so far from the kids, I do like the lip gloss stuff, but the thing that most stood out to me is the eyeshadow palette. I really like this eyeshadow palette. I mean, I like the highlighter as well. I really like this highlighter, so I think my 2 favorites would probably be this and the highlighter. But the lip glosses, the lipsticks or lip glosses or the lip kit or whatever they are, they're actually quite nice as well because I like this color as well. I need to probably try the 3rd color, so I'm going to go and try see if I can get the 3rd color in line as well as that lip oil, because the lip oil, I think it's got melon or something in there, but it's slightly tinted, and I really like that. That's the one that I got more attracted to. But they were sold out. But anyways, guys, I have showed you what I bought. I mean, I feel like I bought more than that, but obviously I didn't. But guys, look, this actually looks really good as a powder though, you know. That looks good as a powder. But I'm going to go back and get the bronzer to see the darker color, to see whether that will actually work. Because, you know, if you're going to use a bronzer, it needs to be darker than your complexion. And this just blends right into my skin. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I would recommend you go and try them. They smell nice as well. Let's say they smell nice. The lip glosses kind of smell really nice. And I like the packaging of it as well. And they weren't expensive because at the moment, I think Boots have them on 3 for 2. So I think these were £5. So the bronzer and the highlighter were £5. The eyeshadow kit was £12. The lip glosses, they were £6, but like I said, they were 3 for 2. And the lip gloss, you know, the chunky one, the one I said I wanted in the lip oil version, that was I think that was £6, £5 or £6. I can't remember, but I think the lip oil itself is £6. So all in all, I got 3 for 2. So realistically, I got 2 items out of that for free at the moment with Boots. So if you're interested, you might as well just go on the Boots website and see what you can get, or just pop into a Boots store. Anyway, this is not a Boots sponsored video, and this is not a Revolution video sponsored at all. This is me just buying it with my hard-earned money, and I am not gonna lie, I really do like this as a powder. I am so convinced with this, and I like this highlighter. I am so drawn into this highlighter and this lip color. I am feeling it. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for rocking with me as usual. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all in my next video. But don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your notification bell so you get updated every single time I upload a new video. But I'll see you guys in tomorrow's Love Island review video. But for now, keep it sassy-licious.